Hi, this is Team Wallace Chicken, and today we'll be sharing about SmartBoss, tackling SDG9. So, what do you think is the average amount of small businesses that fail? Well, we did our research and found that 80% of them fail within the first year, half of them fail within 5 years, and a whopping 65% of them does not make the 10-year mark. So, why do these small businesses fail? Well, we identified 4 key aspects. First one is poor market research. The product that the company has either does not fulfill market demand or has no target audience. Next is poor business planning. Like they say, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So companies often overlook either their finances, marketing, or their people. Next is a strong competition. Startups often overlook that there's another market out there competing with them. And lastly is a lack of experiences. Without having the real world experiences, they might make rather not so good decisions. Hence, we came up with this problem statement that says that businesses often face difficulties in making data-driven strategic decisions due to all the aspects we talked about, and there's no tool that can simulate these complex real-world scenarios. And there's a strong need for this intelligent system to simulate all these aspects for companies to make data-driven insights.
Okay, so what is SmartBoss? Using SmartBoss, business can overcome uncertainties in financial forecasting, market dynamics, and operational risk by leveraging AI-driven simulations and predictions. In our SmartBoss web application, we offer 5 main components: dashboard, startup mode, simulation, company profile, and history. The dashboard provides users with real-time insight into trends, storage usage, business performance, and more. The startup mode and simulation are core AI-driven features, generating predictive reports and offering data-backed solutions for strategy decision-making. The company profile sections allow users to input detailed company information, which is used to enhance the accuracy of AI predictions. Lastly, the history component keeps a record of all past activities, including data from simulations and startup mode, enabling users to track progress and review previous decisions.
So right now I'm going to demonstrate how I'm going to use the SmartBoss platform. So you'll be landing on the login page. So let's assume you don't have an account here. You can sign up here. Let's set up an account here. All right, now you have successfully signed up your account. So you have to enter your email again and the correct credential, which is your password. All right, so right now you'll be leading to your profile. So in this profile page, you can see all your information.
So now I will start with the second feature of our app, plan simulation feature. So as you can see here in the main page for it, we will be having 5 categories, and I'll be showing the first one. So after you click into marketing, then there will be a few default criteria that has already been set. So after you have filled all of this in, if you have noticed, at the top right corner, there is a toggle button, which is guided or creative mode. Guided mode is these that are already set criteria. And for creative mode, there is a whole text area for you to fill in whatever that you want so that you can make it as detailed as possible. So after pressing the generate marketing idea button, okay, so the next one would have 3 plans. So it's either you want to have a lean budget, low manpower, or high impact. For this example, I'll be showing lean budget. So here is the lean budget plan. This is the results of the AI according to the criteria that has been set just now.
Let's look at the startup mode. This page is for you. You want to do a startup and you only have a rough idea and don't have an exact plan to execute. So you can use this feature. All right. After clicking the generate button, you'll get the prediction or the plan by the AI. If you feel that this plan needs to be further improved, you can check with the AI to improve your plan until you're satisfied with it. So after you're satisfied with it, you can enter this form, which is called summary. So the AI will summarize all the plan. You can click on the startup summary. Here is a more organized version of the summary. You can see it from here, which is the plan history. Click on the view result. You can view back all the summary that you have got from the AI.
Now let's talk about the Google technology we implemented, Firebase real-time database. It's a cloud-based NoSQL database that stores data in a JSON tree structure, making it simple to read, write, and update. We choose Firebase for our SmartBoss web application because it supports real-time data syncing, which is crucial for delivering instant AI prediction result to users. Firebase also allows us to store essential business data like company name and descriptions, which our AI model used to generate more accurate, personalized insights. It's also easy to integration, built-in security rules, and compatibility with tools like Cloud Functions and Firebase authentication, make it the ideal solution for our project needs.
Alright, moving on to the AI. So we use Gemini API as our main AI here. So our main functions over here. So we'll be always using this generate response where we already have our prompts. So for example, for AI prediction, it has this prompt. For startup, it has a specific prompt. So for each specific function, they have their own prompt. And then once whatever the info user feeds into it, then it will go through its appropriate prompt and then provide an appropriate response.
So for future improvement, we are going to improve the summary feature. Next, we are also going to add an evaluate function to let the user to input whether the plan is a good plan or a bad plan, to let the AI learn about their generated plan. We also plan to expand the plan categories. So for right now, it is just a marketing plan. So we are going to expand it to HR, to competitive analysis, and of that. Furthermore, we are going to enhance the AI output structure flexibility, means that it is going to be a more productive output instead of right now the predefined structure. Also, we are going to add on an extract function so that user can extract the plan summary to PDF format. And finally, we are going to develop a dashboard so that the company can view all the insights in one page, so it's more efficient for them.